All right. So
we are live at 1945 Speed and Custom. Let the pro do this, Jeremy. All right, so you got a special guest host here. Jeremy, I'm stealing the camera from you.
Yeah, okay.
And you basically said, go do some interviews.
Go do some interviews.
Okay.
And so what we're gonna do is Jarod is gonna go into the shop and just talk to the guys about whatever.
All right, enough about you. Yeah, so we're just gonna go, we're gonna take a tour. 1945, I love, again, Jeremy and mine's history is, we met back in 1998. He was pro snowboarder. I was just a street racer, a hack, whatever, in San Diego. And so we became best of friends over the years. So I'm glad to have known this man for as long as I have, and how loyal he is and how kind he is, from snowboarding to cars to just being a good straight up stand up person. So I did name his band Stand Up Citizen. He wants to take credit for that, but I did. All things considered, love this gentleman right here. So and if you don't know who I am, I'm Jarod DeAnda. I announce car races, Formula Drift notably for now going on 19 years, Nitro Rallycross, I do kids parties, bat mitzvahs. I make a mean balloon snake. That's my claim to fame.
Circumcisions, you do it all.
Circumcisions, yeah, I do it all. I actually, I'm an ordained minister. I officiated many weddings over the years, but right now I believe we're walking up on Timmy. Timmy, you look like you're looking really, right? That's your real name, right?
Timmy, right?
Yeah. Yeah, okay. And you look baffled right now. What are we looking at here, Timmy? What's your main focus here at 1945 Speed and Custom?
Being excellent.
And humble, and really humble. Yeah, I think Timmy's the most humble guy here at 1945 Speed and Custom.
Oh, yeah.
And Timmy, how long have you worked here?
A year and a half.
A year and a half. Had to look at his watch. Had to look at his watch to know how long he's worked here. Timmy, and what are we looking at here right now? I'm looking at a trans, a tunnel, and you look baffled. What are you listening to? My Chemical Romance underneath those?
CCR right now.
Okay, cool. All right, a little Creedence.
CCR.
I like that. When I was a young boy, yeah, my father took me to 1945 Speed and Custom. We still haven't left. Yeah, I like it. So what's going on here?
Full-size truck powertrain in an S10 under a 1950 Chevy truck.
You're building an RC car. This is a large RC car.
Yeah. His roots, RC cars, the
big RC car guy. Yeah.
Big his roots. He's still got them. The roots.
It's not just me. Dell too. There's a lot more people that are way into RC cars than you
Larry
think.
Chen's into it. Like, have you seen Larry's collection?
Yeah, it's sick.
Dude, Larry, yeah. But Timmy, why are you throwing shade at RC cars?
I'm not.
Okay,
Not at
well,
all.
big RC car guy. All right, well, I like it. Timmy, great talking to you, buddy.
Yeah,
Thank you.
good
Appreciate
talk.
it. Back to work, dude. If that's what you do.
That's what
All
I
right,
do.
next up, who we rolling up on? Name, age, sex, location. Where are we at? ASL.
Taylor.
What are you doing? Is that? Ooh, V8 Splash. Is that?
Whoa, is that in the product placement?
Yeah, we'll try to get you some dollars. Age, sex, location. Finish.
Taylor, age 30.
Okay.
Sex, male.
Okay.
Ish.
Ish.
It's
Yeah, that
fine.
hair.
Today's
That
world.
speaks volumes. Is that the official haircut of 1945 Speed and Custom?
If you look at Jeremy, you'll find out that's a yes.
Well, your body.
If I could have hair, this is what I would have.
Yeah, I like this.
It looks like Taylor it looks like he
Blue dry.
Yeah, blue dry it. Yeah.
didn't put a hat on,
Would you
all
say?
right?
Would you say he blew himself then?
Maybe.
He's looking very
Yeah. I removed 2 ribs so I could blow dry my hair.
Yeah, exactly. So there I am, removing ribs. And what would you say your main function here is at 1945 Speed and Custom?
Oh, bad jokes and cars in general.
Bad jokes and cars.
Yeah, in that order.
And anime tattoo collection. Let's show
Ooh,
what
all
we're
right,
working with here.
yeah.
Oh, boy.
That's a
not
really
anime.
bad anchor. Yeah, that's
a really-
Avatar. We got some more stuff.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
what we're working
That
with.
one over
Oh,
there.
man.
I've got a titty one for you.
Oh, sweet.
Let me
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, yeah.
I need closed captioning on these tattoos so I can
captioning.
understand it. Right? I like that. Yeah.
They're great.
And there's a large contingent of drifters or wannabe drifters here at the shop.
There are, if you...
Whoa, look at that.
Listen.
Put some respect on it.
All right, if you turn 180, you'll find out we're kind of a big deal.
drifter here is me, Jarod.
Listen, we have a slogan around here. We're kind of a big deal, okay?
And again, the most humble
it.
employee.
That's it.
Humble guy here. We're kind of a big deal.
That's right. Kind of a big deal.
Okay, and what are you running? What's your drift setup?
Oh, just a stock 1J Cressida.
Okay.
Trying to keep up with Timmy. Timmy's got the big build in the corner over there.
What do we got here? You got two of the JZs?
1.5 JZ, so yeah. It was a 1J, but then all of a sudden there's no rod bearings left, so.
So now it's a 2J.
Nice. All right. And what are we working on here right now? I mean, you're holding up the V8 and the toolbox.
Oh yeah, V8 and then V8 swapping a car. You know, it's kind of a
The marriage.
Yeah.
Marriage made him. Why wouldn't
yeah.
you go LS and your guys' Cressidas?
Oh man.
They're dumb.
Reference.
No, I'm saying the LSs are dumb.
Yeah, exactly. No, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
that's
like
good.
loud noises and high revs.
All
I
right,
guess.
let's take a tour real quick.
Oh, yeah.
What are we looking
Sure.
at here?
Yeah, this is an L99 swap out of a 2010 Camaro that we put in
LSs
there.
are not dumb, they're only dumb in drift cars.
Dumb and drift cars, apparently.
Okay, let's go look at Jeremy's drift car. Taylor, let's take a look at Jeremy's drift car real quick. All right, so the quote, if you didn't get that, was LSs aren't dumb, they're only dumb in drift cars. Let's show them your Mazda FC drift car.
It has a turbo LS in it. So.
Okay, well there we go.
And I'm saddened that I have to say that. It's the same thing as owning a Ram pickup truck.
Okay.
They're great trucks, but you feel like a douche owning one. Same thing with an LS.
There it is. I mean, look, this FC has so much potential. H-sex location. Name.
Matt Brown, 21, Troy, New York. Male.
Just turned 21.
Just turned 21 male.
Like 2 days ago.
Think about the sex. He's trying to get creative. The lead singer of Coheed here. Thank you so much, Matt, for
yeah.
joining us.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, I appreciate that. And your name?
Oh, Vivian.
Vivian. And you're an intern here. You just started this week. Are you enjoying hanging around with these?
I love it.
Do you?
Yeah.
And you have aspirations of working on cars? Mm-hmm. Sweet. I understand you're actually into drifting and you like all that stuff.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, I won't pressure you anymore. I feel like don't want to break you right out of the gate. In regards to getting pressure. But that's awesome.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here we go. So let's get. Well, it's awesome, Jeremy. Seems like you got yourself a notable rat pack of dudes and even an intern.
Yeah, and Jack's in the back sanding. So
Jack's in the back.
Jack's in the back.
Let's go
in the body
let's-
shop.
Not in the box. Jack's in the back in the body shop. Should we go talk to Jack?
Yeah.
Is Jack? I've met Jack once.
Jack is very talkative.
Okay.
Very.
Let's go talk to Jack. Let's
All
go
right.
talk to Jack. All right. So cruising the shop. Yeah. Watch your head. Well, Jeremy doesn't have to watch his head. He's snuck right under that thing there. So. Yeah, so just out here making a cameo at 1945, and Jeremy said, go shoot some interviews. He wasn't supposed to come along, but I think he just liked me ripping on the guys.
Yeah. No. Well, I'm not gonna go then.
No, you're coming. So we're in the backside of the old 1945. Is this Jack?
This is Jack.
Jack in the back. Jack, age, sex, location, name. No pressure.
27 or 26.
Had to think about that one.
Yeah, I gotta-
That's good.
gotta
You're getting
figure
old.
that
You're getting
out.
up there. I'm near 30.
Getting there.
Yeah. And sex and location.
I'm male and I'm in Troy.
Okay, Troy. Everybody seems to.
Yeah.
They-
He doesn't live. He's in Troy. The location is in Troy now.
Yes.
Jack doesn't live in Troy. Nobody lives in Troy.
Nobody lives in Troy.
No.
Where do you
That's
live?
where the shop is.
Boston Lake.
Okay, nice.
That's north of here.
Okay.
About 25 minutes.
All right, it's nice. This is just education piece for those that are following.
Yeah.
And what's your main function? How long have you been here?
I've been here about probably a year and a half, almost 2 years.
Nice.
About 2 years.
Yeah.
What's that?
About 2 years. And what piece are you most proud of that you've worked on here that's come out of the shop that you've touched?
You got to be proud of everything you do. You can't take any favorites, really.
Yeah, like children, right? You kind of. I mean, I have a favorite child of my 2 boys, but I'm not going to say it. Definitely Tyson, but I'm kidding. I love you, Parker. Yeah. So 2 years, and again, what's your role here?
Body man, metal fabricator.
Awesome.
What do you need me to do?
Yeah. Jack, he's literally the jack of all trades.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Well, thank you so much, Jack. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah. We'll let you get back to work.
All right,
And
back to
what's this
Santa.
what's this playlist? What are we listening to here?
Yeah. What do you got going?
Just my Spotify.
Okay. What's it go off of? Just your own.
Yeah, it's just on my phone.
Okay. All right. We'll let Jack get back to work. He's a
What does it
man.
go off of? Did you mean like
Like what
type of
song?
music?
Yeah. What like?
What is your favorite? Your favorite? Some of your top 40,
Top 40.
top 5.
You're putting me on the spot
Top
here.
Well, like
Top
so
5.
like on Spotify you can choose one song and then go off of that one song radio. Like I know mine. Like I'd go like Steely Dan Peg and then just it goes off of that inspiration. Like your one song kind of in that genre.
I mean, Steely Dan's pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Anything off Asia is good.
I should have worn my. Look at this shirt right here. This shirt right here, made by Double Wonderful. Look at these are all drinks mentioned in Steely Dan songs.
Big Black Cow.
Yep.
Bad Sneakers.
Right. Deacon Blues.
Yep,
Drink
yep.
Scotch whiskey.
All Night Long.
Right.
Eye Behind the Wheel. wheel.
Yep. Man, Jack is a renaissance man. Look at this guy.
Jack is the oldest.
Youngest?
25. He's the youngest old guy there is in the world.
Is your back hurt right now?
Yeah.
Literally, Jack. There's Jack knowledge that is it's
He's
vast.
wise beyond his age.
It's oh my god, yes.
I like that. I like that about you, Jack. And I believe I've met you once before. You're working on the old Bronco 2, and right? You painted that thing, didn't you?
I was working on a Bronco.
Different Bronco. Mayor's Bronco was here, but he was working on another.
Oh, got it.
We had 2 Broncos at the same time.
2 Broncos, 1 shop? All right.
It's not gross though.
No, it's not. Yeah, I wasn't going gross. I was just there was a joke there. And this is the Gia you're working on.
So this we
Thank you, Jack.
Yes.
Thanks, doggy. Appreciate it.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, the Carmen Gia, we've kind of have not started the metalwork yet on this. The floor pan was a tremendous amount of work, and Jack was pretty much that was like his brainchild with making all those custom pieces. So the chassis done. Air's gotta blow off.
Yep, it's all good. Audio, hold for audio. Okay.
All right.
Rolling.
So the chassis is pretty much all done, and then it's painted. All of the suspension bits here are going to be painted, and then it can be assembled as a roller, and then from there this is going on like a body cart, and which we haven't even unpacked yet. But this is going on a body cart, and then all of the metal work can begin on what needs to happen with this car. So this car was restored once before, and
That's poorly done.
Yeah, kinda. I mean, it's not actually terrible. It's just not that good.
Right.
So a lot of the patch panels that were put in, well, they worked. What we're gonna do is kind of take
Refine
it
it.
to the next level and make everything.
It's good, not great. You're gonna make it great.
A lot better. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, the floor pan it looks stunning.
Yes.
Great job, Jack. That you really nailed that black. That black was.
It's bitch. Black's a bitch.
Yep. It's nice.
So this is a 1957 Carmen Gia low light. So Carmen Gia low lights were 55 to 59, right?
58.
Yeah. Okay. 58 and a half. So this
Jack knowledge.
This being a 57, it's just the first generation Carmen Gias are very, very rare and sought after. So doing this car the right way is kind of the only way to do it. The car deserves to be restored properly.
I love it. So there's a little day in the life, just via through my eyes, but some good knowledge there. 1945 Speed Custom, everywhere from a Carmen Gia to a really humble fabricator named Timmy to a male model tailor, and the lead singer of Coheed Cambria is an employee here now. And let me show you one thing that Matt that we didn't mention or didn't show, but Matt Brown, again, just a young pup, just turning 21, has been a longtime drift fan. All the employees have Cressidas with 1Js in them, right? 3 dudes?
3 do, yes.
Yeah.
No, Matt has an S13.
Oh, Matt's got an S13.
With an
That's
SR
right.
in it.
Yeah. But also Matt has a sick Volvo wagon that he got for, how much would you guess he got an old Volvo wagon for? Yep, $800.
Don't say 5.
Yep, don't say 5, but here, look at this masterpiece. Ooh-wee. Man, Vaughn Gittin Jr. making him proud. Sorry, 2-time Formula Drift champion, Vaughn Gittin Jr., pilot of the Monster Energy Nitto Tire Ford Performance Mustang RTR Spec 5D. Matt Brown, this is beautiful right here. Man.
Thank you.
That is the piece de la resistance. And we just FaceTimed Vaughn, and it's really awesome. And he has seen it, but I think it's awesome. Is Vaughn still your favorite driver?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
You gotta stick with the ones, the OGs.
Okay.
Yeah.
The camera's off.
You can't-
Now
you can't-
the camera's off now, so you can tell me, is Vaughn still your favorite driver?
He's up there. All right, Vaughn was always my favorite.
Yep.
And then Denofa went on RTR, and
Yeah.
it's a little different.
He's got a little more
bit
personality.
He's got a little bit more
Is Vaughn a
style.
sellout? Is he too corpo?
No, I don't think so.
All right. And what do you think about Adam LZ now joining the team?
I think it's gonna be good for Adam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I thought you'd be like a Forrest Wayne guy or something like that.
I mean, I like Forrest Wayne
Yeah.
for sure.
Okay. Yeah, because you have the SR S13.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah, I figured. I mean, nobody's running an SR in like
Years.
years.
Nobody even runs S13s anymore. It seems like they're all S14s, S15s.
Yeah. Well, what's your favorite drift car in the world? Like, I have mine. I'll go first.
Okay, you go first.
The top secret S15, the gold one. That one's fire.
Now, Brian, don't be
Man,
shy.
no, I'm trying to think of my
No,
favorite.
I put him on the spot. His favorite drift car ever.
Does it have Oh, that's hard.
It changes all the time.
Favorite drift car ever?
My favorite drift car
What is your
ever.
favorite drift car ever?
Let me think. Go back to Matt. That's a tough
Well,
question.
I
No,
know,
that's a tough question,
but
'cause
I
are
said,
we
I said the
talking
top
about-
secret S15.
Are we
You could say
talking
D1,
about-
FD.
is it-
You could say.
Can it be grassroots level?
Yeah,
Is it-
yeah.
Oh boy, probably Casey's black NAS13. You know, shirts tucked in.
No.
Oh, okay.
Not sure.
He's got
Not that shirt stuck in, that guy?
He's got a, yeah. He's got a black NA.
I know of them, yes, but I don't know the-
S13. That's probably my.
That's your banger?
If I were to choose any car in the world, it'd probably be that one.
All right, I like that.
Any car in the
Mike
world.
Powers S15.
I was gonna say,
Mike Powers S15.
yeah, the new one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Mike Power. It's not plural. Mike,
Walmart's.
but I guess it's correct. Mike Powers S15 at Walmart's. But I guess you have to make it.
Powers.
It is Mike Powers, like comma. Yeah, got it. Yeah,
you go.
okay.
Yeah, probably that S15 is
Really?
pretty awesome. I like that car a
If you
lot.
ask Timmy, Timmy's the same question.
Timmy, what's your favorite drift car? Yours, you cocky son of a bitch.
Nope, not at all.
What's your favorite drift car ever? Pro, amateur, whatever, street car.
Probably, what was his name? TJ from the old YouTube video, Gangster S13 took from Australia, which is basically like Rich Whitemane's car currently, his
Oh.
white car.
What are you talking about? Engineer to slide?
No, not that.
Oh.
No, that's a classic.
Yeah, the red
no,
S13.
it was a black coupe full D-Max type of thing, which is basically kind of like what Rich's new white S13 coupe is like.
Oh, okay. I'd have to see it. So you guys like, it's just like a different age and like generation. Cause
Oh,
I
for
mean,
sure, 100%.
Yeah. Do you guys know the top secret S15?
I do.
Yeah, that car slaps.
That car is cool. That car's iconic. That's
Yeah.
a different level. Not my favorite, but it's definitely iconic.
Yeah. And your favorite drift car?
Misa On's S13.
Whose?
Misa On.
Okay.
She's a Japanese drifter.
Yeah, dope.
My female idols.
There you go. That's what's up. Just leaning on this LS powered. What are we looking at here?
Tempest.
Tempest.
67 Tempest.
That's right. All right. Well, Jack's blaring some Tina Turner back there and just really getting me going. Jack is a Renaissance man. We leave the room, and what's love got to do with it? Nothing, says Jack.
No, exactly.
Right. Yeah, that's
It's
right.
pumping.
Yeah, he is.
Every
cranking.
day there's some stuff that comes on and it is just like, man, it's great back
You can hear
there.
it through the cinder block on.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, he is absolutely cranking. Mask on, just feet up, just
Sanding away.
Sanding away, dude. So good. Well, this has been my installment, special cameo here of 1945 Speed Custom. Jeremy, thank you to everybody for having me on here.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. There you go. Click, like, subscribe, smash that button. Go ahead, get all up in there. 1945 Speed and Custom. This is what kind of content you're gonna get. Minus me, more Jeremy.
Yeah. It'd be better if it was you.